What's up, guys? It's Nicholas Anselmi here. In this video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. Let's see what's inside this package. This is taped really good. Got the box open. Let's see what's inside here. Let's unwrap this. It's in a Food Lion bag. Never seen one of these before. Looks like an IBM 6-inch bell. It is an IBM bell. It's an IBM RVF 4015-6A. Compare that to my other IBM bell. And here's the back of it. This one right here is a mechanism. And thank God, because this one does not. Anyways, that was Fire Alarm unboxing number 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram at FireAlarmGuy283. Have a nice day, stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon.